Now that we are saving our tasks in the database, we want to see the list of tasks in our main activity. Let's start by adding the app database field. Scrolling down, we can initialize it in our onCreate method. For that, we can call appDatabaseGetInstance with our application context. We could query the database in onCreate, but then it will never be refreshed unless our activity is recreated. The alternative will be to query the database in onResume. This way, every time that we add a new task and we come back to our main activity, we will see that the new task is already included in our list. Here, we are calling the loadAllTask method from our task DAO. The resulting list is passed to the adapter using its setTasks method. If we run our app, we can now see that the list in main activity is populated. Also, if we create a new task, it will be added to the list.